Okay, that's about all I'm going. It's kind of warm now, kind of exhausted, so I don't want to overdo it. Plus, you know, I'm the only one, so no need to risk it. Whew. That was a good run though. Hardly anybody around to bother you. Look at that, how far I come. I was way over that low hill just a few minutes ago. So nice out here. A little breezy, kind of cool. You don't want to make a mistake out here. Gotta be very careful out here. Thank you. That's the only couple I met out here on the trail. Whew. Nice ride. Awesome ride. We're off in camber there. Quite a few off camber spots. Easy for slipping. Nice view. I love this ride. It's very pretty. Just dangerous, that's all. Whew, we got a pretty ride. Watch out for your head. Whew. Pretty chunky there. That was slippery. Kilo yan tsaka hao. Whew. Now let's relax here. Wow, awesome ride. Hope I didn't do anything weird with my tires. I feel like one of the rocks hit the rim. Whew. That was a nice ride. Should I continue down? Kind of tired. I don't know, take a break for a second. Too tired. Whew. That was a nice ride that way.